Hi, here's a very simple tip on how to straighten cables in minutes. This will be a very quick video. Like most people, I have some USB and audio cables that come tightly folded up. When I try to pull them straight, they will have kinks in them. So here are two quick and simple options to straighten these scrambled up cables. You can use a hairdryer or hot water. Today I simply use hairdryer to straighten cables. Tie the cable together in a bundle. In this way you can easier and quicker heat up whole cable. Set hairdryer in hottest mode and start heat up this cable bundle. The heat will relax the plastic and then you can easily pull the cable straight. But since the cable is hot, I use my grandmother panties to hold and straighten cable. But remember, hold the cable, not the connector, because pulling the connector may rip the wires inside and damage cable. Let me know in comments how you prefer to heat your cables and what's the results you get. Good luck and be careful with hot hairdryer.